All right, today I'm out at Basin in Santan Valley, looking for some affordable homes for people, first-time home buyers, people moving down in homes, just someplace where people can find an affordable option to purchase their own home. Everyone wants to be a homeowner, right? So one of the big things right now, builders are offering massive incentives. So comment to me down below and I'll get you what those current incentives are. They change all the time. So just reach out to me and I'll get those to you. But here we're looking at the Fuji plan today. So let's go ahead, go inside and take a look at this 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath plan. Okay, so as we finish up here at the Fuji plan, we'll take a quick step outside so you can see what the yard looks like. Obviously, the yards on the 2-story homes, they're going to be bigger because we're building up instead of building out. The Fuji plan is 2,175 square feet. Comes with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, and it is a 2-story plan, as I mentioned. As I said before, comment down below if you're looking for details on what the pricing is. It changes every week, so I don't want to post the pricing and then have it be incorrect. But if you comment down below or reach out to me at 480-588-2281, happy to get that information over to you right away. If you're looking for new construction, you're okay with Santan Valley. It's a little bit further of a drive if you work in town or if you have family in town. But if you're looking for an affordable option, Basin, Santan Valley is a good option. Again, message me for more comments. Don't come out here without your real estate agent. You really want to have representation. One, we know these contracts in and out, we know what to look for, and we know what to negotiate, right? There's lots of different things you can negotiate in a real estate transaction. It's not always just price, it's not always just incentives. There's lots of different things that we can negotiate for you. So reach out, let me know if you have any questions, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.
So all I want is just to get paid. I know I ain't ashamed. I'm trying to make a way.